Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Animal Care and Control virtual live tour. We're starting here with our critters. We've got 2 of our buns left, 2 of the girls left for adoption. We've got 2 pigs over here. Got some bunnies down here. 1 bunny. He's serious. And then this would be the other one, who's Bellatrix. She had to go to the vet yesterday. All available for adoption. Look at that. Look how cute that is. Seriously, these girls are so cute. They're so entertaining. All right, let's head on out. Gonna go see our dogs in the lobby. Our dog gallery is still closed, but we do have all of our dogs in the shelter on the slide screen, and we update it as they come in. So you can see them all here. So Greg, this giant handsome love, came in as a stray. If anybody recognizes Greg, we're guessing he's about 10 years old. He's big at 125 pounds. There's a Greg. And then we have Hermes right there. He is about 3 years old, came in as an owner surrender. That's Hermes. Janet is 2 years old. She was surrendered to the children. I just said that. She was surrendered to the shelter. I said that because it says no small children. She was surrendered to us children. Maggie is a Mastiff type, sweet girl. She is 84 pounds, about 10 years old, very easy to walk on a leash. She is available for adoption. And then we have Maple. Maple just had surgery yesterday. She had this growth on her hind end that we had removed. Maple is available for adoption. We have Milo. Milo's about a year old, was adopted from us a couple months ago and has been returned. So there's Milo available for adoption. Maya came in as a stray at 7 months old. She did go to a foster home. So she's in foster care right now, and she's doing really well in foster. Natalie, we're hopeful that Natalie will be adopted after her spay on Tuesday. So that's Natalie. Then we have Onyx. Onyx came in as an owner surrender. He is 4 years old. That's Onyx. Owen came in, surrendered by the owner. Owen is 4.5 years old. OC came in as a stray. No, she didn't. She was surrendered. I thought that said stray. 3 years old, big girl at 118 pounds. She's looking for a new home. Petunia came in with Patch. Petunia's about 5 to 6 years old. They were surrendered by their owners. There's Patch, her counterpart, 5 to 6 years old. Then we have Rhonda. Rhonda is she had a wound of unknown origin, which is all healed, and I believe her quarantine ends next week. So we're accepting applications on her. We have Scratch. Scratch is an Akita mix. His family moved to an apartment that does not accept Akitas, regardless if they're mixed with something. He is a very gentle giant. He is a sweet guy. Surge is a favorite of the volunteers. He doesn't pull. He walks nicely on the leash. He doesn't jump on you. All around good guy right there. Then we have Sky. Sky's a pug type mix, about 3 years old, 34 pounds, brought in by the owner due to allergies. Squeaker, I believe is leaving today, so yay Squeaker. Promptly take you off when you leave since everybody wanted you. And Sugar. Sugar's about 2 years old, pit bull type mix. She's compact at 48 pounds. Tarzan came in as a stray. Still under observation. Terry is a very active 4-year-old. Available for adoption. Tone Loke, he is as sweet as this picture makes him out to be. He's about 8 years old. He reminds me of a bull terrier is what he reminds me of. Vinny is about 2 years old. He came in as a stray, if anybody is missing your black German Shepherd. All right, so this just kind of explains the virtual tour. We do it 9:30 Monday through Saturdays. To meet with a dog, it has to be available for adoption, not under observation. And you have to have an approved pre-screen. If you don't see an animal that you like, just keep your approved pre-screen with you. And then when you see an animal that you do like, you can submit it on that animal. We're always looking for volunteers and fosters to help our shelter animals. To complete a pre-screen, you can follow the link to do the pre-screen adoption application online. We need a driver's license, proof of home ownership, or contact information for your landlord, and current rabies vaccines for all your pets, and county licensing. This explains the backgrounds. So you'll see a lot of gray, just means they're still under observation. We do accept applications, but we have to wait till their stray hold is over before they become adoptable, because we have to give their owners a chance to find them. We are currently still waiving all of our adoption fees as our shelter is very full. The adoption fee, which is waived, includes spay, neuter, surgery, microchip, and vaccines. Alfalfa is doing fantastic in foster. Came in as a stray, a little scared. See, we couldn't even get her to put her ears up. So I'm going to get a new picture from her foster family. But she's doing wonderful, gets along with cats, kids, and dogs. Baldor, I'm hopeful that Baldor will go home after his surgery as well. He's about 3 years old, a cane corso type mix. Fingers crossed for Baldor. People do change their minds, so that's why we still keep them on the slideshow. Big Face, he's about a little over 8, big guy at 97 pounds, came in as a stray. He is such a sweet guy. He's very gentle and outgoing and very sweet. That's a Big Face. And then Blanche, she was a new stray a couple days ago. She's about 10-ish. She does have some skin issues we're treating and taking care of. There's Blanche. And then Domino. Domino is a border collie mix with lots of energy. Came in as an owner surrender. The owner did run with him daily, so he'll need a pretty active home to go to. That's Domino. And Franklin is where it started. So Franklin is 1 year, 3 months old. Pit bull type mix. He is pretty active. He does have a injury that did not heal correct, so he does have a limp. And then we started with Handsome Greg. All right, so let's hit the cat room. We are open today between 10 and 3. If anybody's going to be at the Severna Park 4th of July parade, give us a shout out when we drive by, because we will be there in a van. We have Frankenbeans. Looks like Frankenbeans might have a pre-screen. Handsome gray tabby here. Hi. These kittens just came in, Landy and Lottie. There's 2 kittens. And we have a very active chicken down here. This chicken young at about a year old. Miss Zoe up here. There's Zoe. Looks like Rumpelstiltskin may have a pre-screen. That one's protective custody. Olivia too. Olivia too. Teddy too. You sweet guy. Are you a sweet boy? Loki. Loki. Miss Sabrina. She was adopted but returned to the shelter. Hi. I think no fault of her own. I think it had to do with allergies. Up here we have Gilbert. Baby. 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 Cute kitty. Cute kitty. Cute kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Turn around. There you go. Hi. Here's baby. This is Starla. She's about 10 months old. She's putting on a show for everybody. She's doing big old stretches. Oh, now we can see baby. Down here we have Millie. Millie. Oh, yes. Oh, that litter box feels so nice on my chin. Yeah. And then we have Miss Sydney. She was adopted and returned to the shelter as well. Not sure why. Down here I have Bailey. Hi, Bailey. Hi, Bailey. Brady, enjoying some breakfast. Hi. Hi, big boy. Hi, Brady. Up here's Miss Jackie. It's nice to see you not in hiding. There is Jackie. And this is Priscilla. There's Priscilla. Melanie. Hi, Melanie. Taking a little after breakfast nap. And then we have over here Ariana. And then we have cats in foster. So we have our Greek group kittens. They're coming back on Tuesday for their surgery. Miranda and Marin are coming back on Wednesday for their surgery. I think one of them has a pre-screen, but the other one does not. Petra and PJ, again, I think one has a pre-screen, but one does not. They're coming back on Friday. Our Stranger Things are in foster. They're 9 weeks old. We have two groups. Yeah, Nancy Lucas continued. We have them all in foster to gain weight, get a little healthy. They had some bad bellies. This just says some of the cats aren't in the main cat gallery. They're in foster homes or offices or other rooms. But if you see a cat you're interested, just talk to the front and they can advise you on how to proceed. Our kittens aren't met with until they return to the shelter when they're old enough. The reason we keep them in foster is so they stay healthy. Bowser, 2 years old. He would be fantastic in a new home. He gets really attached. We have Miss Daisy, who's 3 years old. She has been with us for quite a while, but she's gotten much more comfortable in her foster home. So she's looking for her forever home. And then we have Elliot. Here's some information about Elliot. You can hear his purr a mile away. Again, in the shelter, they were so scared, but now they're doing well. Here are Harley and Pooh. They were surrendered to our shelter on June 7th of last year. Joyce is in a foster home nursing kittens. There's Joyce. Mew Mew just went to a foster home just to get a little more comfortable, and turns out to be a really sweet cat. Missy Lou, again, one of our long timers, hanging out in an office, just waiting for a home of her own. And then Miss Paws is also in an office. There's Miss Paws. And then Nixon. There's Nixon. He's an old guy, but he's pretty darn playful. And then Olivia, she's been in a foster home, but she's come around a lot. She's a shy gal, so she'll need a quiet and understanding home. And then Ophelia went into foster. She's nursing some kittens. Persimmon is also nursing some kittens in a foster home. And then we have Tala. Tala is in a foster home. She's shy, but very, very sweet and loves her head scratches. Teddy's quarantine is over. He is available for adoption. So if you want to meet Teddy, just let us know. He's a very playful kitten. And then we have Voltorb. I think Voltorb's foster mom just made a comment. There's Voltorb. And then Walter, his quarantine ended yesterday, so hoping that he will get adopted after his neuter surgery. We have Bailey, Breyer, and Brooklyn. I think they're scheduled to come back, or not next week, but the week after for surgery. And then my bird group. My bird group is not scheduled for surgery yet. And then we started with the Greek kittens. All right. That's all. Princess Potato did go to foster, but she's being adopted today. So I think we showed, there's one dog in here that wasn't on. Aziza. Am I allowed to show you Aziza? I don't know if I'm allowed to show you Aziza. You weren't on there. You're just no surrender. This looks like it's Priya. She came in as a scared little thing. Hi, baby girl. She's okay. She's okay. And then there's this big guy, Ghost, over here. Nope, he's out, but his family knows that he's here. And we got another dog in. Thank goodness for microchips. Microchip and a collar on his tag led us to his family. So we'll get in touch with them and let them know that he's here. Kim, you know, it's probably a good idea to call them like Mama Joyce, Mama Ophelia, Mama Persimmon, and then when they come back for adoption, just drop the mama. Then people know that that's why they're in foster. Okay, what we got in here? We have Tofu. 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 Hi, Tofu. Vader. Vader. Maverick. Wound of unknown origin. He's going to eat, so you can't tell what he's doing. Ryan's down here. And then Linda. Hi, Linda. Hi, Linda. Hi. Ryan, what are you doing? Why are you reaching out to me? Ooh. Rare sighting of Salem. Hi, buddy. Hi. You're very handsome. You're very handsome. I came in here earlier and you ran right into your hidey box, but look at you. Hi, gorgeous. Hi. Hey, lovey. That's Salem. Down here we have Venus. She did come in with other cats, so she might do well with other cats in the home. Briscoe's hiding. Lily got scared and bit somebody, so she's just on a 10-day quarantine. And when that's over, she'll be up for adoption again. We understand getting scared. So that's Lily. And we saw Walter on the screen. Down here we have Johnny. Up here I have Miss Crazy Violet. And let's head to receiving. I did a quick walkthrough in this room earlier, and there's a few. I have little Paco here, spicy little friend, looking for a foster to make him less spicy. And some of these friends were hiding. So Lisa, there's Lisa. And then Mortimer's hiding. All you can see is a little tail back there. Let's see if we can get him out so you can see him. There's Mortimer. You mad? I cover you back up. That was Mortimer. And then down here I have Irving. And that's all in here. I think Archie's the only one I can show you in here. He's down here. There's Archie. And receiving. There was a tiny little thing that came in as a stray that I can show you, and I think they've already moved our Axel friend out. We have some kitty cats in here. Coming in with the live.
All right. Don't look in that first top.
Naomi. There's Naomi. Naomi's not a big fan of being here. This one is a new, on the bottom, a new cat that came in. Is that a new strayer?
Oh, no. I'm finishing up with her.
Okay.
Her microchip.
Oh, okay. She has a microchip. Yay, microchip your animals. Here's Kennedy. When they come in scared, we don't try to bother messing with figuring out what their sex is if they don't want us to, but I'm guessing Kennedy is a little girl. Yeah? Kennedy, the camera won't focus on you. Brown tabby. And this is Shrimp. Shrimp doesn't have very good litter box manners, so that's why Shrimp is hanging out back here. Bo's a new friend that was surrendered. So hanging out here, adjusting to shelter noises before moving onward and upward. Logan came in as a stray. Logan, somebody has got to be missing this cat. He doesn't like it here, but he seems friendly enough to have had a family. And he didn't miss many meals. So who's missing your cat? And then hot Italian sausage. Yeah, you come on out, growl at me, you cute little dilute calico torty thing. Yes. Yes. All right, so this is how we're going to end. Thank you, everybody, for watching our live. 10 to 3 today we're open, so please come see us. Yeah. Oh, wait. Little tiny dog. Little tiny stray thing. Okay. Don't leave yet. We have a little tiny stray thing. They named him Cheeto. So we'll end in here. Take this little puppy. So, everybody, thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for trying to help us find these animals homes, find them their homes. Like this little friend. You do have a lot of ticks. Yeah, he was playing around with a lot of ticks. So he got some tick medication and he's letting us pluck them off. And Minnie just gave you your breakfast. You want your breakfast? He says, oh, yes, please. Yes, please. Hi, cutie. You're so cute. Look at you, cute. All right, everybody, I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Have a wonderful 4th. Please keep your animals secure. Fireworks can be scary, and we don't want to see them here on the 5th. Have a great weekend.